Happy morning to everyone. How are you all? Have you all eaten your breakfast? You have eaten it, right? And today we are going to learn the lesson Who Shall Be King? The second lesson Who Shall Be King? Page number 9 to 11. Shall we start the class? Okay, let us move to the class. Listen carefully. The birds of the forest called a meeting to decide who should be the king of all the birds. The peacock was the most beautiful bird in the forest. Here there was a forest. In that forest, the birds going to decide a king of birds. So that they called for a meeting. At the time, peacock was the most beautiful bird in the forest. Do you see peacock? Yeah, we see peacock. It is the most beautiful bird in the forest. Right. First, the peacock said, I should be king. I am the most beautiful bird. Everyone admire me and wants to see me. When it rains, I spread my lovely feathers and dance. I should be king of all the birds. At first, the peacock said, I should be king. I want to be king because I am very beautiful bird and everyone likes me. Everyone wants to see me. If it rain, I spread my lovely feathers and I dance in the rain. So I should be king of all the birds. Like that, the peacock said. The wise old owl peered out of his hole in the tree sleepy. He heard the peacock showing off. He flew down silently. What is so wonderful about dancing in the rain? Any bird can do it. Here, old owl to look very carefully to see all those things. Old owl saw all those things. He heard the peacock showing off. It means to display proudly. Showing off means to display proudly. He flew down silently and then the owl asked, What is so wonderful? What is so wonderful about dancing? Every bird can do this, so that it is not a wonderful thing. Every bird can do it. Every bird can dance in rain. Like that, the owl said. I am the cleverest bird in the forest. I am called the wise owl. I should be king of all the birds. Again the owl said, I am the cleverest bird and also I am called the wise owl, so that I want to be king of all the birds. I should be king of all the birds. Like that owl said. And then, what is the use? What is the use? Cried an gentle dove. How can you become king of all the birds? I am gentle, kind and helpful. I should become a queen of all the birds. Here one gentle dove cried, What's the use? What is the use? Other birds asked, How can you become a king of all the birds? The gentle dove said, I am gentle, kind and helpful, so that I should be queen of all the birds. Like that the dove said. The big strong eagle bounced on the gentle dove and held her with his claws. And who can crush your head? He shouted, I can eat you alive. I should be king of all the birds. I am the strongest and the cleverest. Why the dove is saying that big strong eagle bounced on gentle dove and held her with his claws. Here the bounce means to quick jump on someone or something. Here the bounce means to quick quickly jump on someone or something. To quickly jump on someone or something. The eagle quickly jumped on dove and held her with his claws. Claws means his nails, big nails. And who can crush your head? He shouted. I can eat you alive. I should be king of all the birds. I am the strongest and the cleverest. Like that, the eagle said. The vulture, who was really a foolish bird, the vulture was a foolish bird, shook his head. A fine king you will make, said he. Every bird is afraid of you. You are always catching and killing smaller birds and animals. Here the vulture is a foolish bird and shook his head and he said, a fine king you will make. Every bird is afraid of you. You are always catching and killing smaller birds and animals. After that, the birds looked at each other. Everyone agreed that for once the foolish vulture was right. However, they remained silent on the question as to who would be the king of the birds. At last, the shy little sparrow spoke up. Shall we have a race? The bird who flies the highest will be our king, he said. Here, every bird looked at each other and they said okay for foolish vulture was right. They agreed. However, they remained silent on the question as to who would be the king of birds. At the time, shy little sparrow spoke out. The shy little sparrow said, the shy little sparrow asked, shall we have a race? The bird who flies highest will be our king. Here, the shy little sparrow said, shall we have a race? If the bird who flies highest, it will be our king. And other birds also said, yes, yes, a race, cried all the birds together. And with a fluttering of wings and noisy chirpings, the birds got ready for the race. And every bird is agreed, and then with flittering with noisy chips. Flitter means to fly quickly. The birds got ready for the race. Every bird is getting ready for the race. Every bird is got for the race. And a monkey with sharp eyes was to judge the race. On your marks, get set, go, shouted the monkey, and the birds flew up into the air. Here the monkey was a judge. It has sharp eyes. And the monkey shouted, on your marks, get set, go. The birds started to fly. Higher and higher they rose up into the blue sky. However, the eagle flew swiftly and beat all other birds. He flew up and up until he became a mere speck in the blue sky. Here, every bird is started to fly higher and higher. They rose up into the blue sky. However, the eagle flew swiftly and beat all the birds. Higher, the eagle was flying. He was flying up and up until he became mere speck in the blue sky. The other birds gave up the race. They came down sadly. The eagle was to be their king. He would eat all the little birds and their babies. Here, other birds gave up. They came down and they were very sad. And the eagle was to be their king. He would eat all the little birds and their babies. Everyone decided the eagle was our king. And the eagle come down to earth. He was very proud of himself. I am the king of all the birds. I flew the highest, he shouted. The eagle come down and he was very proud and he shouted, I am the king of all the birds, like that, because I flew the highest, so that I am the king of all the birds, he said proudly. No, you didn't, said a quiet voice. The little sparrow hopped off the eagle's back. I was sitting on your back, he said, and no matter how high you flew, I always flew a little higher. Here they heard a quiet voice. No, you didn't. Who said that? The little sparrow. The little sparrow was sitting on the eagle's back, and the eagle and the little sparrow said, no matter how high you fly, always flew a little higher. Like that, the little sparrow said. And that was how the clever little sparrow became king of all the birds. The birds were very happy. Even today, you can hear them singing as they go about their work, since they remain happy and joyous. This is how the little sparrow became a king of all the birds. After that, every birds were very happy, and even today also we can hear them singing as they go about their work, since they remain happy and joyous. This is our second lesson, who shall be king. Could you understand, yours? At first, what they do in one forest, the birds decided to choose a king of birds. At the time, they called for a meeting. Every bird went for the meeting. At first, the peacock said, I should be king because I am the most beautiful bird. Everyone likes me. Everyone wants to see me. If it rains, I spread my lovely feathers and I dance. So I should be king of all the birds. At the time, the wise old owl looked very carefully and he heard all those things, and he flew down silently. What is so wonderful about dancing in rain? Every bird can do it. So, I am the cleverest bird in the forest, and I am called the wise owl. So, I should be the king of all the birds. Like that, owl said. After that, the gentle dove cried, what is the use? What is the use? How can you become king of all the birds? The gentle dove said, I am gentle, kind and helpful, so I should become queen of all the birds. The strong eagle bounced on the gentle dove and held her with his claws. And he shouted, I can eat you alive. I should be king of the birds. I am the strongest and I cleverest. Like that, the big strong eagle said. The vulture, who was a really foolish bird. The vulture was a foolish bird, shook his net, and every bird agreed that foolish vulture was right. However, they remained silent for the question who would be the king of the birds. At last, one little sparrow spoke up. The little sparrow decided to have a race. Shall we have a race? The bird who flies the highest will be our king. He said like that. The little sparrow is going to make a race, and every bird agreed that, and then every bird cried, a race, yes, we can, like that. And all the birds got ready for the race. And here the monkey was a judge. It has a sharp eyes. And the monkey shouted, get set, go, like that monkey said, and every bird started to fly. Here, higher and higher, they were flying into the blue sky. And the eagle flew, beat all other birds, and other birds gave up. they came down sadly. They were very sad. The eagle was to be their king. He would eat all the little birds and their babies, like that they said. And the eagle came down to earth. He was very proud because he flew the highest. I am the king of all the birds, like that the eagle shouted. At the time they heard a quiet voice. No, you didn't. The little sparrow hopped off the eagle's back. The little sparrow was sitting on the eagle's back. And no matter how you fly, they always have the little higher. Like that, the little sparrow said. This is how the little sparrow became a king of all the birds. And the birds were very happy. Could you understand? Yes? Okay. What are the new words we learned today? First, meeting. MEETING. It means an assembly of people for a particular purpose. An assembly of people for a particular purpose. Peer. PEER. It means to look very carefully. It means to look very carefully. Show off. SHOWOFF. Show off. To display proudly. Cleverest. 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 The most intelligent. It means the most intelligent. Bounce. 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 It means to quickly jump on someone or something. It means to quickly jump on someone or something. Flitter. FLUTTER. Flitter. It means to fly quickly. It means to fly quickly. Swiftly. 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 It means quickly. Speck. 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 It means a very small spot. A very small spot. Hopped off. HOPPEDOFF. Hopped off. It means to jump off and move somewhere quickly. To jump off and move somewhere quickly. Okay, dears. Shall I ask some questions from this lesson? Okay, I'll read some sentences. If it is correct means you have to say yes. If it is wrong means you have to say no. The first sentence. The owl dances when it rains. Is it right or wrong? No. The answer is no. The second one. The eagle is a very strong bird. The eagle is a very strong bird. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it is right. The answer is yes. The dove is a queer bird. The dove is a queer bird. It is a wrong sentence, so that the answer is no. The fourth one, the eagle could eat the dove. The eagle could eat the dove. Yeah, yes. The answer is yes. And the fifth one, the monkey judged the race. The monkey judged the race. Yes. The answer is yes. Okay, let us move to the pronunciation part. Okay, repeat after me. Win. 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 Wing. 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 Win. Wing. Ran. 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 Rang. 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 Run. Rang. Ran. 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 RANG. Rang. Ran. Rang. Run. 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 R-U-N-G, rung. Run, rung. Pin, P-I-N, pin. P-I-N-G, ping. Pin, ping. Sin, S-I-N, sin. Sing, S-I-N-G, sing. Ban, B-A-N, ban. Bank, B-A-N-G, bank. Ban, bank. Fan, F-A-N, fan. Fang, F-A-N-G, fang. Fan, fang. Kin, K-I-N, king. King, K-I-N-G, king. Kin, king. Clan, C-L-A-N, clang. C-L-A-N-G, clang. Say once again. Win, wing. Ran, rang. Run, rung. Pin, ping. Sin, sing. Ban, bang. Fan, fang. Kin, king. Clan, clang. Okay dears, shall we conclude our class? Okay, before that, you have to write some sentence about any bird, your favorite bird. Have to write some sentence about that bird. This is your homework, and now we shall conclude our class. We will meet in next class. Bye bye and take care.